What's up, guys? So I promised a video of my neighbor's puppy. Here it is. So, sadly, there's some sad news. Well, this is Gigi, first of all. She gets distracted very easily. Hey. So, she is, I think, 6 months now. Gigi. Oh, so we have some sad news with us today. Even though she's finding cake crumbs, we have some sad news with us today. Somebody is getting fixed tomorrow. Poor Gigi. She has to get fixed tomorrow. I feel so bad for her. Gigi. Gigi. Stop eating cake crumbs. Anyways, so I thought I'd bring her over to my house. I do. So, every day, practically. I'm doing a water change on my fish tank tomorrow. I just promised a video of Gigi. No, you come here. So since I promised a video of Gigi, here's a video of Gigi. Turn on your back, sweetie. Turn on your back. Here it is. Here it is. She loves belly rubs. She loves, except she's not in the mood. Come on, sweetheart. Ah! There we go. There we go. What a good girl. And I feel so bad for her. She has to get fixed tomorrow. She's not going to be the same innocent puppy. She still will be, just different. I'm sorry for you. But our pool's opening tomorrow. So. Sorry, not sorry. No, just kidding. No, just kidding. I am sorry. Thursday. It's Wednesday. Does somebody want to see some fishies? Somebody want to see some fishies? Huh? Yeah, sorry about the cloudiness. Doing a water change tomorrow. She loves the fish. Okay. Is that a spirit? Is that a spirit? Oh my gosh. No. Oh, did you see? Somebody. What's under there? 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 Gigi. Gigi, you want to play with something? Or you want to have a snack? Let's have a snack. Come on. Is this something you would want? I'm gonna have to eat it in the living room. Come on, Massey. Come on. There you go. This is how Gigi eats peanut butter. Yes, yours, sweetheart. Hey, I can't see. There we go. Yeah, sure. Just bite the whole spoon. There's some right there. There's some right there. Yeah, if you want to see any other cute videos of this puppy on my channel, or, well, I have 2 channels. Technically I have 3. One's like my mom's, but like I use it. So, on one of my channels, it says, you could just look it up, Gigi's Quarantined, and something part, I think it was like Gigi's Quarantine Part 2, or just something, but look up Gigi's Quarantine, and it's another cute video of her. It also has the peanut butter in it, and it also has like other stuff, like her going for a walk and all the stuff she does, and it even has an adorable voice over it. So let's just let her finish this. Alright, it's showtime. She ate a whole bunch before she came over here, so she probably doesn't want any more. Now let's get a drink. Let's get a drink to wash this down. I'll show you how she reacts. Oh, she wants to finish the peanut butter first. Nope. Alright, let's go get a drink to wash it down. So she follows me. So we have a water cooler. Watch what happens while we're filling it. Let's go upstairs. I know what'll make her good and thirsty. Come and get me. Thought I could wind her out the trip upstairs, but apparently not. She wants some. You want some. Does this look tasty to you? Wash down all that peanut butter. Now you have a wet peanut butter stained lips. All right, well, this is Chi-Chi. I hope you had fun as our snack and drink. Now let's edit this video and finish some more peanut butter. And until next time, see you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.